when I won. Oh, mention and goes on a better than you see because of vote. Hey, at Anambra State, you were a liar. No one in Mepehana, which is this even about Jigawa Gaku here. A man that's known I am Mepesiani care. This insult is too much. This is why I can too much. A man called the one Anambra State. One Soludo. All what that is now. He didn't prepare well to protect indigenous of Anambra. A one with terrorists, go on a better way. Konya, one Anambra with terrorism, a man who will coward. Because now, Anambra may say that we will defend Anambra. No. Or was the election? That is something, it's not because of the election. Because now, every time gets all of the kita, another people will start again. Another people will start again. So, Muanagba, Unumine. If you people, as you where they send the Soludo message. I don't like Soludo, I don't support Soludo. But I can never no man make ume anume be Jigawa mwa e man from Jigawa apa Jigawa a pure Fulani man e biro na ani. This man don't live in Ani at all. This man is not an Igbo man. Only Kulokwa won't in the terrorist. Ngozo la base know him. And don't go back. Don't come out. Soya na Hausa. Okwesiri na Hausa. Okwesiri is in the Muslim ozi. Why is the Christian? Soya na Hausa because they have well prepared to wipe Ndigo out, to take over Anambra State. Ngozo la best to listen Anambra we conquer. I smile. But the message out on Kono call to ever send the element Soludo. Many can this message man also Soludo, let me tell you something. You claim to be governor of Anambra State. We are looking for Biafra. Biafra there. I hear because of na Biafra there. Wazele by also or condemn Uzendo on a buy. No Biafra now. Nobody is not a natural Biafra. I want to imagine now the Kadeji. Over top the AGAG. Or one of us know that they did in Biafra now. Nobody. Absolutely nobody. For now, and I can well I need women's the more so. And there and I, like from the beginning. I need women the more can under Nigeria. Or not be under Biafra because of Biafra Biafra. Ezo could them we until the Biafra until I want to in Biafra. We want to protect our land. Now can flooding terrorists. Because Ejigo Biafra deceive right too much. Ejigo Biafra, goes on about Ejigo Biafra. When they deceive right, when they change Oku Biafra, when I conquer Igbo. Actually, can anybody forget to go to anything Biafra now? First year, reality, non Igbo. First year, the conquer of terrorists, jihadists in Igbo. If you people don't do what I say, unu need a jeze we I can assure you, what is going on. I'm telling you people, I get it intel more than the work of this criminal. But I'm just on what I bet the property bumper. I'm telling you, the Ezoku can now one day. Oh no, I want to Biafra because never hope that Biafra will come. But for now, nobody or one on your man, Sinonia, Nigeria, Intel, or one on your man, Sinonia can now support than Jem Biafra. You had to go to Alketau, and he won't lose the wars. Where will I when there's a governor Anambra State was and the candidates the governor Anambra State was here. Candidates governor Niboni knows. because na Igbo Okosi West stand on Naka, on control an Igbo for now. Nobody is controlling it. There is nothing like Obatobi is not here. Our leader Martin Nanikan is not here. Oh, no, if Obatobi is a problem. Oh, no, if our leader Martin Nanikan is a problem. Umaja, who gave the number. This man who is a terrorist, is the head of terrorists. If you people take this thing lightly, only have to get on Biati. Miria, Nelunu, Yama, Onyuku, Maonyenta. Now, Governor of Anambra State, or when you want enough of security, you have to employ more. This is a war between terrorists, bandits in Gozola Base. This is even war. Ngozola Base. Declare go war in Anambra State against indigenous of Anambra with the terrorist gang group here from Jigawa. I'm telling you people the reality. If you people keep quiet, Soludo, or we will end down, or when a big damn now, what the terrorists do. Because why this woman is a fight on our back? All this in damn now. All of them is terrorists. That means now 100% indeed. If you don't have them, go and call meeting, emergency meeting, plan all with them. We protect the Anambra State and protect the indigenous of Anambra. Soludo, only enough security. Maraki yes, we build